Hello everyone, welcome to Dento, Delivering Smiles. I am Dr. Charu Mundeja, a practicing dental surgeon since last 10 years from Floss Dental, Chanakpuri. Yes, you guessed it right. Today's topic is interdental cleaning aids. In many circumstances like eating fibrous food or any sticky things, or in fact eating daily foods, your food gets stuck in between your teeth. There is data which says that if you use only toothbrush to clean your mouth, then 40%, yes you heard it right, 40% of your tooth surface remained uncleaned and lead to dental caries in the future. So clean that area and give you a brighter, whiter smile. I am here to share various type of interdental cleaning aids. The foremost is the toothbrush. Yes, we all use toothbrush in the morning to clean our teeth. But do we use the toothbrush in the right way? You should use the brush in the right way so that the food particles get cleaned or swiped in between your teeth. And yes, toothbrush itself is not sufficient to clean the space in between your teeth. To clean the space in between your teeth, that is interdental space, we have special aids. From this, number one comes is floss. Floss usually comes in the form of in this box form, in which a thread is taking the size of the hand of your palm and fold it around your fingers to clean the space in between your teeth. I'll show you how. Right? In case you are stuck in between these threads and don't want to clean your teeth like this, then there's an easier option available, that is with floss with a handle. It makes it very convenient to clean the space in between your teeth with the help of this floss with a handle. If the spaces in between your teeth are not that tight enough to clean by floss, then the next indicated type of aid is interdental brush. They are usually indicated for the spaces which are not that tight enough or larger than the usual ones. They are either angulated or straight. Interdental brushes comes in various sizes depending upon the sizes of the space in between your teeth. 0 being the narrowest and the 6 being the widest. These type of brushes get encandled in with this handle and it can be easily used to clean the space in between your teeth. And still you are not happy with the choices that I gave you to clean the teeth and think they all are tacky and old, show me something new, so I have the right option for you. The latest devices to clean the interdental space are the oral irrigators. They are these type of devices in which the water is filled in these cans and with the help of a water jet, the spaces are cleaned in between your teeth. They have various modes and various type of settings to help you. Happy? So, start cleaning your teeth properly twice a day with brushing or flossing or any other interdental cleaning aids as per your choice, but don't forget to clean them. Keep brushing, keep styling. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And yes, don't forget to follow on our social media handles on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Also, please visit our website www.dento.com.